Hey guys, it's Sid here. Just wanted to shoot a quick video on a very important topic, especially if you're an affiliate marketer that is either just starting out your business or obviously you have been someone that has been trying to get a business going in the affiliate marketing space and you're really struggling with, actually pushing through. And this is something I personally experienced, when it comes to obviously implementing procedures, having a daily method in terms of, whether it's running traffic to your offer, looking at various processes that are a big part of your affiliate marketing business. And, all of those things at the end of the day, they're obviously optimal in terms of making sure your business is functioning well from a system point of view. But what you're really not sure is obviously how much further you can keep pushing on particular days because let's face it, a lot of us are obviously human beings. At the end of the day, we have to take consideration of certain aspects in life, and as they say, life happens. So the question is, how do you push through? And also, how much have you actually sort of felt that you started on a journey, and you've kind of also felt you haven't pushed through, and maybe you have gone through this. I went through this where basically when I first started my affiliate marketing journey, I was very enthusiastic, and obviously I got into a process where I started looking at various ways how I could promote some of my key offers. But what really happened at the end of the day was I wasn't really giving it the kind of attention or need that it needed, and very importantly, not treating it like a business as people who are business people normally do. And the biggest factor for me really was, and I suppose a lot of people know this, but I suppose it's a reminder as well, is just really knowing your why. And I just want to recommend maybe a resource that will really help, and which kind of helped me at the beginning of this year, 2020. In fact, on New Year's Day, I actually read a book which some of you watching this may know is a very famous book by the author Simon Sinek, and it's a book called Start With Why. And a lot of people speak about understanding your why. What's your why for doing something? The big reason. A lot of people, when they actually go and start out an affiliate marketing business, and I've been guilty of this, is really because we want to earn additional money or we want to make an extra source of income. But the biggest thing for me is that I've realized that we have to focus on a bigger why. And if I can just give you an example of a why for me, the way I see it is starting an affiliate based business, and specifically in my area where I focus more on high ticket affiliate marketing. And you can have a look at the link that I provided just to give you a sense of what I'm doing. But for me, the biggest thing is learning some key skills and aspects which I wouldn't have learned as a sort of traditional, let's call it professional person. And these are things like, doing videos like this, where obviously I'm running a YouTube channel, learning about key marketing skills. So how I can obviously market not just an affiliate marketing offer, but obviously anything else. So if I decide I want to promote a specific book or anything like that, I'm growing my skill set from that perspective. And the biggest thing, of course, is gaining confidence in doing things like this, because confidence is a big aspect that will actually take you forward. And that's why starting with your specific why and your reason for wanting to do a specific business, if it's more specifically an affiliate marketing business, it's critical to actually set that. So I'd like to suggest that you actually go read that book. And there's some really great insights. And what's good about the book is, Simon Sinek actually gives you examples of why certain companies, especially well-known brands that we thought would do well, actually didn't do well. And those kind of, which we would think are dark horses, would actually do really well or have been doing well. And it's quite a fascinating insight in terms of, why some of those companies work really well and some don't. And when I read the book, I felt I really resonated with it. It just gave me a sense of perspective of why I was not really pushing forward on some of my affiliate marketing businesses. And that was really just because I didn't have a really strong why, or a why that made me feel that, it gave me reason to actually push on focusing on my business. Now, the other thing I want to also clarify is that when you have your why, sometimes the effort that you put in your specific affiliate marketing business doesn't turn out to be really hard, or you don't feel like you're striving hard. And that's very important, especially if you're just starting out your affiliate marketing journey. And even in some cases, some of those who are experienced affiliate marketers find that they actually used to push very hard. And I've seen those who have done really well in recent years. They've actually found a method that allows them to, do consistent activity, but also at the same time ensures that they're doing work which is, one, enjoyable, and second, doesn't feel like sort of like another job. And that's a whole thing that you need to look at. So I really hope this video has given you some really great insights and given you some perspective in terms of how you can obviously focus on your why and how that why can actually help you with your affiliate marketing business. So go have a look at the book. It's called Start With Your Why, and it's by Simon Sinek. You can find it on very common platforms like Amazon. But I'll also just put a note of the book itself in the description as well. And if there's anything specific that you want to comment about this, or something from your experience that you think also will help others, please do drop a comment in the bottom. And I will see you in another video soon. Take care. Bye.